So I arrived in Avon Trade Center, man. We got a Range Rover for inspection. That's the paperwork, yeah. Cool, thank you. Is there anything else I need to know? So
So we've stuck on just to show the year of the car, the old original plates.
I put the plate in. It came on as a different car.
Yeah. So the original plates are on there, but behind them are the private plates that's on it already.
So you will put a private plate on it.
It's already got them on.
Oh, it's just that's on the top of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one's not actually a plate. This is the old plate.
Yeah. I noticed because I put a plate in and it came in as a 4-year-old different Range Rover.
Yeah. So the old plates are on there behind that one. Other than that, yeah. So the car been with me for about a month and a half now, 2 months. Paintwork's all in good condition. I've had to put a new battery in there, but
Yeah, I mean it looks quite sort of fresh, you know. But we'll go through it. Did you? Is it an ex-trading or was it auction or?
Not a trading car. Basically, the owner of this company's got a brother who's retired, and this is one of his last bits of stock, so he gave it to us basically.
So is it like a commission sale or?
It will be for myself, but I think it just is just a normal sale.
It's a normal stock car.
Yeah, it's a normal stock car for me. Yeah.
Cool. Does it need a service? Did any recent service been done?
So it doesn't need a service. However, we can't reset the service light on there for some reason. So we just done an oil and filter on it, but I don't know how to take the service required thing off there. I'm not trained. So I didn't service it. I've got a mobile mechanic. He's just done the oil and filter in it. It's got new oil and a new filter on there, but the service required is still on the dash.
So yeah, you're more likely would need a diagnostic equipment to do the reset.
Don't have it, unfortunately.
What sort of service is done? You just basic oil change?
Oil and filter, that's it. So oil change and the oil filter change, that's it. Nothing special.
Cool. All right, let's have a look on this paperwork and then I will give you to sign my form. It doesn't look like it's been raining here.
We had a little bit of rain this morning, not much, but you can see the dust rain.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the part of the services because it's all online.
Yeah. If it's been going to Range Rover for servicing, then yeah. How many keys does it have?
Just two keys.
Two.
Two keys, yeah. So it's got a fresh MOT on there as well.
Yeah, because I checked it yesterday. You didn't have an MOT yet on it. When did you done MOT today?
I think it's 06, 08. So the start of this month it was done.
It expired on 6th of August.
Let me get. Now 1 second. Yes.
I mean, I checked it today. An MOT for that reg.
Let me go get it up.
So let me just open this then.
S13 RNS. Oh, it hasn't expired. Right, I'll book it in for MOT then. That's absolutely fine. Because he's not looking to pick it up, but I'll book an MOT. Thank you very much.
All right. See you later.
Hello, it's Matty from Avon Trade Centre. Can I book an MOT in again? this. Can you do it? Right, okay. Book it in for Friday then, please, mate.
Avontree. What car is it?
It's a Range Rover Evoque.
Range Rover Vogue. Lovely. All right, all booked in. All right.
Perfect. Cheers, mate.
Lovely. Cheers, mate. Bye.
Well, that's booked in.
Cool. Did the customer seen the car?
What the customer has inquired? No,
Who's buying
no,
it?
he hasn't
Who's
seen
planning
it.
to
He's
buy
in
it?
London. So yeah, he's in London, and he goes. He was gonna get someone to come look at it yourself, and if you say it all is good.
Do you have an invoice for the recent service?
I'll have to have a look for you.
Have you guys been busy?
It's been a quiet month so far, but we've not done too bad. We've done, I think, 14 this month, which is it's okay. Not great.
Yeah, if you get another, if you get 30, 31, then it would be.
That's our going rate. We try and do like 30 to 35 a month. We're only a 50 car site, so we try and keep stock churning over.
Yeah, that's sensible stock. How was the consumer sentiment in the past 3 months?
The consumers, well, we've only ever had 5-star reviews, so we've only got 5 stars.
No, I'm talking about sentiment about how the sales feel slower
it's
or
slow.
up and down,
Yeah,
up and
sorry,
down.
It's slow. It's very, but it's summer, so it's always for us anyway. During July and August, it always dies down because everyone's
But
going
then you
holiday.
got Christmas time.
Yeah.
It's always something. Right?
Christmas, but
It's always something.
so January through to May, very very good for us. June slows down a bit. July and August really slows down. Then September's really really good for us. October's very very good. November it dies down a bit, and then December's dead.
I think that's how for everyone it's
I
kind of
think
is.
that's the general norm, mate, yeah.
Yep. If you check your details, so I just need your signature here, so
Yeah.
allow me to do the inspection.
Where do I need to put
Do you have inspections or once in a blue moon?
We get them semi-regularly. Submit this one. Oh, I think I've submitted it there.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, we get them semi-regularly. Not really, but essentially whatever we get given, really.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Cars down there. Yeah. Oh, it's a FEV.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. When I put the reg, because the customer provided 2 regs, I just
Oh.
put 1 reg in of original plate. And when I put original plate in, it pulled the details from Land Rover Defender X
yeah.
Dynamic PHV 2022.
So the private plates on there is AS13
Yeah.
RNS.
Yeah. Let's just double check this, bro. Yeah. All right, let me crack on. Thank you.
All good, mate.
Yeah.
The key's in the car. If you want to take it for a drive as well, I've got a place right here. So you can,
Oh, to use your one, Sim? Okay.
you can use my one and you've got your own.
Yeah, I got mine. Do you want to come with me on a road trip?
Oh, it's only me here, mate. So I can,
No, that's fine. I'm just asking. Some people
No.
prefer, some people.
Nah, yeah, go however.
Where's the other key? Inside the car?
Oh yeah,
That's the spare key, yeah.
Other one's in the car, yeah.
Cool. All right. I'll crack on. Thank you. All right. I got everything I needed. I will crack on.